All right, you guys, our last chapter in the book has to do with probability, and so we're going to talk about probability and what it means. When we talk about the chance of something happening or the likelihood of something happening, we're talking about the probability of an event, and we put it on a scale of 0 to 1. Now, if the probability or the likelihood of something happening is 0, then we say that it is impossible, which apparently isn't much these days. And then if it has a 1 rating, then we say that it is certain. It is definitely going to happen. Okay? And then what we need to do is we need to break it up into, well, what's likely going to happen and what's unlikely going to happen. And really the breaking point of that is halfway. So if this is half, all of this between 0 and 1/2 is unlikely, which means that from 1/2 to 1 is likely going to happen. You have a better chance of this happening, right? And it doesn't matter really how much there is total. So we could say we're talking about like a bag of marbles, and let's say we have 6 of them in there. Well, 6 would be my 1, right? If all 6 of them were black, then I would have 100% chance. I would have a certain chance that I'm gonna pull out a black marble. Now, if I'm talking about white marbles, well, I don't have any white marbles in there. So it is impossible for me to pull out a white marble out of there. So now, what happens is we start mixing this up and we start saying, okay, if this is what's happening, what's the likelihood of it happening? Or we could say, if this is going to be the case, what's happening after that? So this is the basis of our probability. We're just saying whether it's impossible, unlikely, likely, or certain. This is how the first 5 or 6 problems on your assignment are. I want you to go ahead and try those and see if you're understanding the beginning of probability.